for Pascual Joy, 74,327.
The Board of Canvassers congratulates the winners of the 2025 midterm elections. Palakpakan po natin sila lahat. Now, for the proclamation, may we ask the top 10 winners for the Sangguniang Panglunsod. I'm sorry. Of course, sir, please.
For the position of the member of the House of Representatives, 4th District, Nueva Ecija, Naganyo Maricel, 14,709, and for Pascual Eming, 67,000.
Okay, ang ating voters turnout is 86.87. It's much higher now than the last elections. Now, can I invite the winners of the Sangguniang Panglunsod in front so that we can proclaim them? Okay, please. J. Mariano, Omen Bautista. Okay, we have Jeff Bautista, of course, the idol, next one, and Sir Parchernos, Nani Yu, and Mr.
Baka maganda na doon sila sa likod.
Jerry Kumatyan.
Sa likod na lang kaya po sila, sa stage. Sa stage kayo, sa stage.
Here and what's the high of the karate? Okay, so let's proceed with the proclamation. Okay, this station. Nakakalive ba tayo?
Wala. Meron.
Yes.